I'm Mause Christina Gisson, co-founder of Sommalife.
Yuela Alhassan Hawa, Yuela Hawa, Yakwara, Abichang, Biaba Yuabe.
Sommalife is based in Wa. We work with smallholder farmers, particularly women in the shea value chain, and we connect them to global food and cosmetic manufacturers who need to report on the environmental and social impacts.
Mama Tuha, Sommalife Bawa. Kaman Tuha, to a Wombujung, Cocola Hamman Kwaha. Sommalife Antawana Sombo. Amamba Sonte Biela Kalam feeling Piadio. Bama Wokuti Biela. Semmende Abiela Nedile. Chale Oda Chuna Abing. Kajian Wanya. Dana Batam and what a taban wadana. Banadette Biela de Dukuti. Aunt Ewala, Aunt Sonte. And about them.
TreeSyt is our own proprietary software. We have the app as a way of tracking and managing our operations on the field, and also use that to provide impact data to the food and cosmetic manufacturers that we connect these farmers to.
Yaka baga ka million ayuabo. Okay. Wakara scale biki apiela chone kare. 100 kg.
A typical client will get to see that every truck or volume of goods that is coming to them, they will see the number of women who contributed to that truck, the income they got from that, and those women, how many of them are preserving trees in the course of their work and not deforesting the value chain or the environment. So they have the social and environment data on the commodities that are being sent to them.
Da wala ema wajinga wa Mexico. Ajenga wo. To the man we berata. Kasa wa wanana. Ban timbinda buli. Jineto da atam manwa. Jineto ja manwa. Toka saba la wanana. Aju manya man sana daw. Man bugulu dar sumala yan wo wulmo dar bugulu bu. Man bugula abnya atwara. Alatanya atwanana. Abla venya mamma yel kuntoka tangma daw seki bo apa.
What we are doing currently is to support them to raise shea trees and transplant them as a way of reforesting the lost shea trees, and we are also protecting existing ones by working with community leaders and the women to mark or protect the forest, the shea forest, from deforestation, and we call it shea parklands. Currently, we have about 1,500 acres of shea parklands or shea forests that have been protected from deforestation.
Tia to dagablen lo burla bala. Ayne betin na de pilini. Taswa Otola, you sell. Tangma, aha. Oh, you're gonna feel it.
One of our initiatives is on financial inclusion for the women we work with. We want to make sure that beyond our trade with them, they are saving money towards their future. So we started the pre-financing model where we give loans to some qualified women groups to use that to buy farm input for themselves, or even some even use it for their own upkeep. We are working with some financial institutions to train these women on how to save their money towards rainy days because if they don't have the money, they end up selling their products at very low margins, which will affect their long-term livelihood. When we started our operations in 2020, we engaged only 500 women. We moved on from there to currently over 17,000 women who have gained about 22% extra income. We are not stopping here. The big goal is to be able to support these women to get at least 30% increase in their income. We want to get to that day where these women have enough to take care of their basic needs and also provide for other people and save something for the future.